concerning. Do you think that I'm petty? But a nigga was a long teddy. Even in the silver, I'm a one handy. You can't do the crap of a penny. There's some other problems that got damn it. Tell me home, I'm gonna go 17. I need to the one penny. I give it a little bit of hustle. 247 that hustle. All the man, I'm a nigga, I'm to the bottom. I guess I'm a say, you're the same as the hustle. Get to the pipe, I'm going to the one. I'm to the bullshit, we'll be up one. I just want everything in the tussle. Anybody want to do that right with me? I know 59, that's true. Beautiful things will happen to our hands and we'll see the time. That's a blessing. I will love you again. I will give you all the praise. Until I need a team. Now we see them no question. We come from another thing I never had this. Do you give all of it? You got it, I said it. Hold on, the other to some classes. So we figure out until I do the bad thing. I'm campaigning and sick pain. Don't get me off in the pitch in the kitchen. I know you believe in my group pay. I know you're gonna go away. Get back. Change from 1 to 10. Rating me hustle 99. Into me 95. Yes, you lucky come down. Come and sit down on me down. And when I'm in me, I'm at the surface. So you put down. Coming in and living now. I tell me, you are not sorry. And that this is sorry for me. Let them do the work. And then the mirror tell you, you are not sorry. And that this is sorry for me. What's it done? That's a blessing.